Being pain-free has made a huge difference for me. I'm Amanda Bodell from Waltham, and I'm a patient at the Vermont Orthopaedic Clinic. I've had one knee and one hip replaced by Dr. Lighthart. I had an injury to my knee and then learned that it was more than just a brief injury. It was pretty significant arthritis. So we started to look at my knee and my hip and made a plan for some replacement parts.
What I enjoy specifically about orthopedics is that it makes a big difference, and it typically makes a big difference for patients quickly. I love coming to work, having people say, this is great, it's life-changing, I should have done it a long time ago. It's made a huge difference in my life, and I couldn't be happier with having done it.
I was exhausted because I had to think about every step I took, because I was afraid that something was going to slip or something was going to happen. And now I can walk with confidence. I can do all the chores I have to do around this place, like I can do the garden, and I can take care of animals, and I can do housework much more easily. I can walk in the woods, I can hike and take care of my pigs. They take some work, and I have not been involved in the past because of just not really being able to attend to their friskiness. But it feels good to be able to be out there with them and to feed them and to take care of them, and because the pain was pretty terrible. Before the surgery, I was pretty uncomfortable, and I don't think that I really realized what pain was doing to my life until I wasn't in pain anymore, which was really great. I really think that these procedures have been almost life-changing for me in giving me an opportunity to do the things that I like to do without pain. My care at Rutland Regional Medical Center was really excellent. They were kind and considerate and respectful, and I highly recommend them to anyone. I am very happy with the care that I received at Rutland Regional Medical Center and Vermont Orthopaedic Clinic.